In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you our SEO audit report feature here in Boardroom. So I'm logged into my account and I'm on the home page, but I'm going to expand the menu here, open up the SEO and AI tools section, and then click on SEO audit. And on this page, I can do one of two things. I can select my store from a drop-down. If I have multiple stores, they will all appear here. Or I can simply type in any URL into this particular field, and that's going to show me a report about any website that I want to investigate using this tool. So in this way, you can use the SEO audit report feature to both track your own SEO efforts, but also to take a look at your competitors and get a sense of what they're doing from an SEO perspective. Both are useful, but for the sake of this example, I'm going to type in a very popular website, Nike.com, and then I'm going to click Run Report. So I can see that the first section here is called Website Trust. And in this section, we're looking at certain factors that Google will evaluate in order to determine how trustworthy a particular website is. And the very first metric here that we highlight is the domain authority. Now, as this little tooltip tells you, it's a metric that ranges from 1 to 100, and it predicts how likely your website is to appear on a Google search engine result page for a particular keyword. It's based primarily on the quantity and quality of backlinks, so external websites that link back to your particular website or the website that you're running this report on, but also the age of the website and some other factors as well. All of that goes into domain authority, but it's a good standardized score that gives you a high-level view into how this website is doing from an SEO perspective. Over here to the right, we have the traffic widget, and this is going to use Google Analytics 4, so GA4 data that you've connected into your Boardroom to show you total traffic over a time period, but also a breakdown of where that traffic is coming from. And these percent changes show you the recent trend as well in that data. So over the last 30 days, you can see that total traffic is up just a little bit here. Beneath that, we have the website age, so how long the website in question has been around, the number of backlinks pointing to this particular website. So this is the number of external links from other websites that point back to the website in this report. Okay, so backlinks are a super important concept in SEO. To the right, this is the number of unique referring domains that are pointing back to this website, kind of a similar concept there. So all of these factors are a representation of how trustworthy the website in question is. And scrolling down from there, we have the website speed section. So this gives you the Google page speed score from a mobile and a desktop perspective for this website. Below that, we have certain metrics that you may want to keep an eye on here that are negatively impacting SEO. So you can see this website's doing pretty well. It doesn't have any broken backlinks or any spam score for those backlinks. So take a look at these. You can hover over the tooltip to learn more about what these exactly mean, but suffice it to say that lower numbers here are better. Scrolling down from there, we have the top backlinks report. So this is going to show you the top 100 backlinks that are indexed by Google. It's going to show you if any of these have a spam score, what the page authority for that backlink is, what the domain authority is, and obviously the higher the domain authority, the more impactful, the better that backlink is going to be for your website, the more it's going to impact you from an SEO perspective. So you can see lots of other columns and statistics here for these backlinks, but this is an important thing to understand. And if you have a lot of spammy backlinks, for example, pointing back to your website, you may want to reach out and have those backlinks removed. So you can refresh this report anytime you want. The most recent report will always be saved here for you on the page. And this is just a nifty, a cool little feature that allows you to keep track of your SEO and also to investigate your competitors and see what they're up to from an SEO perspective. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.